These are the quickest and easiest smoke alarms I have ever used. You could literally set these up and install these in your home in less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is put the double-sided sticky tape on this base, then you twist this on. It beeps, out. Then stick it on your ceiling, and that's it. You're done. You are literally completely done. No need to install batteries. It's already installed. No need to do anything really. These things are amazing. Here's a quick video of me testing it out. So I've got these installed in every level of my home. Let's go ahead and test it and check it out. All right. That one's beeping too. So yeah, these are fantastic. It comes in a set of 3. I have a home that has 3 levels, so I just installed these on every level. And it really was so quick and easy. If you just use the double-sided sticky tape and you don't use the screws to screw it in, then it's just incredibly fast. All you have to do to test it out is press the test button. They all connect with each other. And then after a few seconds, it turns off automatically. These already came automatically paired. I literally didn't have to do anything at all, but there is a reset button on the back, so if you need to repair these with each other, or if you need to add additional units, you can do that easily just by pressing the reset button on the back. One thing you should do before you use it for the first time is put the date on it so that you know when it was installed. And these aren't really designed to open up. The battery in here lasts 10 years, so you can just use it for 10 years and then just replace the whole unit. I did find that if you stick in a screwdriver here, I was able to actually open it up, and you can see here is the battery that lasts 10 years. Battery is specific to this smoke detector, so there's no really replacing the battery. This smoke detector set was sent to me so I can make this video, and I've never used a connected set like this before that's just wireless and all you have to do is stick it in the ceiling. Honestly, installing this is easier than replacing the 9-volt battery on my old smoke detectors, so I'm really happy with this. I should have got these a long time ago.